Hello everyone, welcome. So first of all, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
So I share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So we will start our first day class now. So hi and welcome to all for beginners course on Google Earth Engine. So basically this course class will be happen for the 3 days online training session, and I am course coordinator. So basically this is our beginners course. So in this course I will try to focus only for the beginners who don't have any programming language or who don't have any knowledge about the Earth Engine platform. So I hope after completing the total 3 days training session you are able to do any remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently using this platform, Google Earth Engine platform. And this is our course module. So we will start our first day course. So first of all, do we have any experience with using the Google Earth Engine platform before? Anyone any experience? Any experience?
No, I don't have.
Okay. Any other?
No experience.
Okay. Any experience with the programming language Python, JavaScript, C++ or other?
I have little bit experience in our programming and Python.
Okay. So basically in this time when you want to run with the Google Earth Engine platform, mainly we use here the two programming language, JavaScript and Python, also supported R. Okay, so in this time as a beginners I also try to teach you the JavaScript programming syntax, all of the syntax which need to learn as a beginners to start the Google Earth Engine platform. So as a beginner, so don't worry for this, so you will start as a beginner and learn all of the things. So I hope you can easily understand all of the things. So basically today is our first day, and first day course content will be that. First of all I will try to discuss about the introduction to GEE, then move to the basic principle of JavaScript syntax. So as a beginners some person will be not understand about the programming language, so that's why I also try to teach you all of the programming knowledge which you need to learn the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, yeah, you after the completing this class you also get the recorded video session. Okay, no problem for this. And then we also talk about that client and server object, then also talk about the how to get the server to execute your code, then how you can easily import the raster vector data from your local storage as well as Google Earth Engine dataset, then how to filtering your attribute table, then different types of band combination we also try to discuss about that, then how you can easily import, filter, reduce, clip and display data in Google Earth Engine platform. So this is our first day course content and we will step by step complete today's. Okay, so first of all, introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. In here I also try to discuss about that what's the Google Earth Engine, then what's the application of Google Earth Engine platform and how does the work, then what's the advantage of using Google Earth Engine platform and how you can start this tool. Okay, so first of all, what is GEE? GE is the short form of Google Earth Engine platform. Basically, this is a cloud-based platform. So this is the cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. It is a cloud-based platform, so that's why you don't need to download any software like ArcMap or QGIS or other geospatial software. In this time, this is the cloud-based platform, so that's why you don't need to download any software first of all. And it is the tool that performs the large-scale data drive-in for environmental analysis. It combines the remotely sensed data. This data comes from the US, GS, NASA, Google, and more source. And it is the unique and innovative because anyone can perform the highly interactive algorithm development at a global scale. Okay, you can get your data as a global scale. You can easily do it, and you can easily access over 40 years of satellite imagery. You don't need to download any satellite imagery. When you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any satellite imagery. It can be Landsat, Sentinel, or any satellite imagery. You don't need to download. Okay, we can easily access all of the satellite imagery very quickly and efficiently. Then if you have own dataset, suppose you want to download some data or some raster image or satellite image from the other sources, USGS or NASA or Google, other sources you want to download. Now you want to work with this. You can easily upload your own dataset in Google Earth Engine platform and work with very quickly and efficiently. Okay. And you can apply the different types of algorithm to your data, and you can easily get the result as a map. You can easily export from the Google Earth Engine as a image. You can easily export the tip image or table, different types of chart, a time series chart, or different types of satellite imagery. You can easily export from the Google Earth Engine platform. So mainly this is the Google Earth Engine platform. It is the cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. It combines a lot of satellite imagery. We can easily access over the 40 years of satellite imagery. We can easily apply the different types of algorithm to our data, and finally we can easily export the image, table, chart, map. Okay, we can easily export all of the things. Then application, it has a lot of application. So mainly we can do any remote sensing application using this platform very quickly and efficiently. Here I mentioned some. We can easily do for the detecting the deforestation. We can easily do for the classifying the land cover and land use. We can easily do for the estimating the forest biomass and carbon. We can do for the mapping the world's roadless areas. We can also do for that assessment of the plant health status. We can also do for the air quality monitoring, then water quality monitoring, then flood mapping and damage assessment. We can also do for the drought monitoring. We can also do for the burn severity mapping, and so on application we can easily do using this platform, and also do for the land surface temperature monitoring using this platform very quickly and efficiently. Okay, then other software, ArcMap or QGIS. So here I mentioned the some application, but if you we can do any remote sensing application using this platform. Just first of all we should know what's the algorithm. Just you can convert the algorithm into the code, then you can easily get the result in Google Earth Engine platform. So Google Earth Engine focuses on the society's biggest challenges. First of all, the deforestation, also drought, then climate change, also disaster, different types of diseases, then global food security, then sustainability. Okay, so why this is important? So mainly when you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform, it reduces your time to the analysis. Suppose you want to make a map for the land cover classification map for the whole world country boundary of Bangladesh. You want to make the whole world country boundary land cover classification of Bangladesh. So first of all, when you want to make the traditional software, just ArcMap or QGIS, first of all you should download all of the satellite imagery from the USGS or Earth Explorer. Then you combine, merge. So lot of procedure when you want to make the other software. But in this time, when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any satellite imagery. You don't need to download any satellite imagery. Just you can write 2-line code or 4-line code. Then you can easily get the satellite imagery, and you can easily make the land cover classification map for your whole country boundary of Bangladesh or any big region. But when you want to move to the big region land cover classification map using the ArcMap software or QGIS software, then it's not very easy to make the land cover classification using this software. Okay, but Google Earth Engine, first of all, it reduces your time to the analysis. Okay, we can access the petabytes of data very quickly and efficiently. This is the important for using the Google Earth Engine platform. Then it has some new feature. You can easily using this feature, you can easily remove the cloud and haze from your satellite imagery, and you can get the clear image, and clear image is better for making the land cover classification map. and we can easily get the global data analysis. Okay, so this is the tool for the global data analysis. We can easily do the large scale data driven for environmental analysis using this platform, and we can easily creating a common platform for global data analysis, because we can get all of the data as a globally. Okay, so this is the important for using this platform, but it has also some advantage and disadvantage of using the Google Earth Engine platform. So it has a lot of advantage. You first of all, you don't have to struggle with the finding the data set and downloading what you need, since everything is available online. Okay, so first of all, you don't need to download any satellite imagery or local storage of imagery. Okay, you can access petabytes of data or more on the way, and the computing power is the very fast. Okay, and it has also some disadvantage is that you should know some programming knowledge. Okay, but in this time, as a beginner who don't have any programming knowledge, I also try to teach you all of the programming which you need to start with the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so don't worry for this. Then you also need to defend it's on your internet connection. If your internet connection is the good, then you can get the result very quickly. Okay, and it primarily focused on the raster based imagery or remote sensing work, mainly primary focus, and it has the lack of mature and detailed documentation. But I hope after completing this course, you can get all of the detailed documentation and which you help to learn the Google Earth Engine very properly. Okay, and how does the work? So mainly Google Earth Engine, first of all, you need to write custom of codes. This code send a message to a specialized server, and in a matter of second, this server send you response. And Google Earth Engine has a own server. Okay, so Google Earth Engine has a own server. When you want to write the code, this code send a message to the server, and you can get the response in a matter of second from the server. Okay, and mainly in this time, JavaScript and Python are supported, but JavaScript is the more advanced. So here this training, I also try to use the JavaScript API, and JavaScript is the easy way to learn Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, then its software type is that web processing. Software type is the web processing or cloud computing. Okay, so it is the cloud web processing or cloud computing, so that's why you don't need to download any software. Then it is the main website of earthengine.google.org, and you must be accessibility when you want to work with the Earth Engine. You must be online connectivity with your computer, and requirements just you need to the sign in with your valid Google account. Okay, and I hope here all of already done this part. Yeah, so do you have complete this part already for the registration with the Earth Engine account? Yeah,
Yes, I did it.
okay.
ও আল্লাহ ওটার মধ্যে বেকার তো তুমি কি করতেছো?
Okay, so this part already covered for the when you want to learn the use the Earth Engine code editor. You need to simply register with your valid Google account. Then you can easily use their code editor. Okay, so I hope it's this part already covered all of here. So I will skip this part in this time. And your computer system is the online, and it mainly focus on the image processing and visualization, and it also work the vector and raster data. Okay, so how you can start this tool, this part already covered. So here all of you already registered with the Earth Engine account, and you can get the code editor. So that's why in this time I skip this part. So in this time, when you want to use the Google Earth Engine code editor, first of when you complete your registration, you can get a message in your Gmail like this. Okay, so here you can see this is the when I completed my registration successfully, then I can get the message like this. So you can simply click on the Earth Engine code editor. Here you can see this is the Earth Engine code editor. So you can, when you want to simply click to here, it opened a new link. This link is the code.earthengine.google.com. So this is the Earth Engine code editor at code.earthengine.google.com is a web-based IDE for Earth Engine JavaScript API. So this is the environment for writing your JavaScript code. In this time, here you don't write to the Python code, because this is the JavaScript API. Okay, so in this time I simply open my code editor and try to discuss this code editor user interface. Wait a minute. So I simply open my browser. So this is our code editor, and this is the code editor, and it is a web based IDE for Earth Engine JavaScript API. So first of all, here you can see this this code editor has the three main panel. This is it's called the left panel. Then you can see this is the middle panel, and this is the right panel. So first of all, you can see this is the middle panel. It's called the editor panel. Editor panel where you write your code and edit your JavaScript code. So mainly in this time we can easily write our code in here. This place it's called the editor panel. Editor panel, you can easily write your code and edit your JavaScript code. Okay, so I simply write the code, suppose in this time. Okay, so here you can see I can simply use a code for print. We also try to discuss all of the function print in then later. Okay, so in this time you can see this is the place, it's called the editor panel, and editor panel you can easily write your code, JavaScript code. Okay, then also you can see this is the run button. So run, this is the execute your code. When you want to click to here, this code will be executed. Okay, and also you can see this is the another panel. It's called the right panel. Here you can see the three different tabs. First tab is the inspector. So inspector tab for map querying result. Okay, so mainly suppose you want to add a NDVI map in here, then you can simply click on the inspector and click on the map. Then you can get the NDVI result for the specific coordinate. So in this time when I simply click on the map, it's default showing here. You can see longitude, latitude, zoom level and scale. So when you add the different types of map in here and you want to need the information, a specific point, what's the value, okay, then you can simply click on the inspector tab and then simply click on this map. Then you can easily get the value. Okay, so mainly inspector tab is working for map querying result. Okay, then console tab, here you can see console tab is mainly work for printing your output. Okay, so in this time you can see I want to print the hello world. So I simply click to the run. You can see I can get the output hello world. Okay, so console tab is printing your output. When you want to print anything, then this result or output you can easily display in this tab, console tab. Okay, then tasks tab. So tasks tab is for managing your long running tasks. So when you want to exporting or importing any raster image, vector image, CSV file or anything, when you want to export or import, then tasks tab will be running. And after then next time I also try to show you that how the tasks tab will be work. Okay, so in this time just you remember that tasks tab is mainly working when you want to export or import anything. Okay, then also you can see this is the another panel. This is the left panel. Here you can see the script tab. Script tab is managing your programming script. Okay, you can see here I already saved different types of script. Okay, so mainly this script I already write and saved. So it will be managing my script. Here you can see different types of script, and when I need the script again, then I simply click to here. You can see then this code, this JavaScript code will be added in my code editor, and I can easily edit this code or also different types of modification I can easily here. Okay, so in this time here you can see when I click to the run, it will be execute our code. So mainly script tab is managing your script which you saved. Okay, and you can see here I already different types of code already saved in here. Then you can see docs tab. So docs tab is your friend. So when you face any problem, then you can simply search the docs tab and you can get the solution, because here you can see the docs tab, it provide you all of the documentation or all of the server object function. Here we can get all of the server function. So here you can see, suppose as a beginner you don't know what's the EE-date function, you can simply click on this function and you can see this is the sub function of EE-date. You can simply click to here. Here you can get the description. What is the description of this function you can get. Also you can get the argument, what's the argument of this function. And after this I also try to show you that how you can easily fill up the argument and work with the function, different types of functions, so that you can easily understand. So in this time you can just remember that docs tab is a it managing your documentation, all of the function details, how it will be work, all of the things we can easily access this docs tab. Okay, then asset tab. So asset tab is managing your asset which you uploaded. Okay, so here you can see here already uploaded different types of shape file, raster image, csv file. Okay, so asset tab is managing your asset which you uploaded, and you can upload it here the 250 gigabyte free. Okay, after this you have to charge the Google Earth Engine authority. Okay, so first of all you freely use the your asset 250 gigabyte. Okay, here you can see this is the another thing is the get link button. Suppose you can see this is the code. In this time I want to share this code with other person. Okay, so you can simply click on the get link button, and here you can see copy to link. I can simply click to the copy to link and share with other person, then this person also access my code and get the output. Okay, so this is the sharing. When you want to share this code with other person, you can simply click on the get link button and then simply click to copy link and share this link with other person easily. Okay, and save button, here you can see here I already saved this name animation ndvi, so that's why it will be showing look like this. Also you can see run button, when I click to the run I can get the result. You can see that this is the animation ndvi of Bangladesh between this time period. Okay, and you can easily share this link with other person. This person also access the animation of this ndvi, or you can easily download this animation in here. Okay, so in this time when I click the link, you can see this animation we can get the in this new browser. Okay, so you can see this is our animation of the ndvi between this time period. Okay, and also you can see this is the reset button. When I simply click the reset, my clear map, inspector and console, everything will be gone. You can see I click here, it will be gone. So you can see this is the another tabs for the apps. So when you want to managing any apps, suppose you want to develop the any Earth Engine application or geospatial analysis application, then you can it will be manage your app. So in this time I also try to show you some apps. You can see here I already worked the some different types of application. So you can see I can simply go to my gallery. So in this time I simply click on the view gallery. You can see this is my link for the Earth Engine application link. In this application here you can get access all of the application which I already created. So here you can see some application about the agriculture drought, Bangladesh drought monitoring using the SVI, EVI, land cover classification, leaf area index. Okay, there are the lot of application I already work. So here you can see I also try to show you the some application. Suppose I also try to check you the water quality. So I simply open this a new tab in here. Okay, I also open the another app. You can see suppose leaf area index, chart ndvi over time period of Bangladesh. Okay, anyone can access our application from this link, the water quality analysis application. Also you can see this is the leaf area index application, time series application. Also you can see this is the another application for chart ndvi over time period of Bangladesh. Okay, so I also try to show you all of the functionality. You can see, so anyone can access this application with this from this link. Suppose in this time this is our application for ndvi for only for the Bangladesh. Okay, so in this time suppose I want to need any specific point, what's the condition of ndvi between the time period. So I simply click on this any portion. You can see it will provide me the lat long, and I also get here the only for this point what's the condition of the ndvi I can access in here. Okay, you can see when I simply click to here, you can see now I can get this point, what is the exact lat long, what is the condition of ndvi I can get here ndvi location. Okay, also you can see when I click to here, so I can get the another time series period of chart. I simply click to here, you can see the chart will be look like this, and I can easily download this data. I can easily download this ndvi data from here, download the Excel file or CSV file. I simply click to download CSV, it will be downloaded the CSV file. Okay, so also you can see this is the another application for the leaf area index. So mainly here I use the MODIS dataset. So if you want, I can simply click on any my region of interest. So I simply click this region of interest. Suppose this is my region of interest, it automatically created that what is the condition of the leaf area index. Also provided me the raster imagery of leaf area index. Okay, and also it's generating the chart for the Modi slip area index in here. Okay, anyone can access this application from this link. Also you can see this is the another application for the water quality analysis. We can easily analysis here the turbidity, then total suspended solid, then chlorophyll. Okay, I can simply select my specific time period from here. Suppose I want to simply select this time period, and int this is my observation time start and end. I simply select this time. Okay, suppose I want to draw my ROI in here. Simply draw my ROI, and then I want to calculate it here the turbidity. I simply select the turbidity and then click to the submit. So now you can see it will be generating the turbidity legend, turbidity time series analysis, also make the animation. So from the chart we can easily understand when the turbidity will be high or low. Okay, we can get the time series chart between this time period, which time period I set here. Okay, so I want to check here the chlorophyll. Simply select the chlorophyll, then click on the submit button. Here you can see the condition of the chlorophyll for this water body. We can easily access, you can see, or also provided our time series chart. Okay, I want to select here the chlorophyll or total suspended solid. Simply select the total suspended solid, then click to the submit. Then you can get the total suspended solid result. What is the condition of the total suspended solid? You can see when this total suspended solid will be high and low, all of that details you can see. I can simply click to here. You can see this chart will be look like this, and I can easily download this data from here. Download the CSV file. It will be download the data as a Excel. Okay, so mainly this is the application, and we here are already different types of application already work. So if you want, you can simply go to this link and you can easily access all of the application. Okay, so in this time I will move here. So here you can see, so when you want to complete your write your code, you want to now you want to convert this code into the application. Okay, then you can simply click on the new app button. You can give the details of your logo and then details information about your application, then it will be created. Okay, so mainly it will be managing your apps tab. Okay, so in also you can see here, this is the another thing, is it's called the map interactive view. Okay, so here we can get the, you can see hand tool. Also you can see the marker point. We can easily add here the different types of point, line, polygon. This is the line tool, shape tool, square tool, rectangle tool. Okay, this is zoom in and zoom out. Okay, also you can see if you want to need the satellite view, we can simply click the satellite, you can get the satellite view. Okay, so mainly also you can see this is the top of the code editor. Here you can easily search the different types of place and data set. Which data you want to need, you can simply search here, then this data set will be automatically displayed in your search list. Okay, so mainly this is the search bar where we can get the place and data set. Okay, so in this time, if you have any question regarding this part, you can ask me. Anyone, any question? Anyone, any question or any doubt about the user interface of Earth Engine code editor?
No, sir, it's fine.
Okay, and after 4 minutes our meeting session will be in. Then I also send you the Zoom link again, so please join. Okay,
Okay, I have a question, please.
yeah,
So you told that the apps.
yeah.
If you please tell it again, please. Apps. It's not actually default. You have done some project and import it in that apps. Am I right?
Yeah. So all of the code I already done, and then I simply import convert this application, Earth Engine application.
Okay.
So as a beginner, when you want to open this, there you can see there is the no app link or other things. You cannot view anything. Okay.
Okay. And I have another question. Is there any other tool like GEE, Google Earth Engine Cloud Platform tool?
So this is the Google Earth Engine platform. Here I done all of the things in using the Google Earth Engine platform.
Is there another other tool like Google Earth Engine?
No, there is the no. But if you want, you can also run this Google Earth Engine using the Python environment, using the Google Collaboratory. If you want, you can use the Jupyter Notebook, using the, when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform using the Python, then you can create it the another environment for the using the Python.
Oh,
yeah.
Actually, my question is that we can use QGIS or we can use ArcGIS. So Google Earth Engine is the only cloud-based platform. Now, is there
This is the
another other
only for the cloud-based platform. So there is the no downloading software
that
option.
only cloud-based platform in the Earth?
Yeah,
Google
yeah,
Earth Engine.
yeah.
Then the JavaScript is default here.
So JavaScript and Python are supported. Two programming languages are supported in Google Earth Engine platform.
Okay. Thank you.
You can use the JavaScript API IDE, or if you want, you can also use the Google Collaboratory. Then actually, as a beginner, so when you want to learn the Google Earth Engine platform, then I think this is the best platform when you using the JavaScript API. But when you want to developer, then you move to the machine learning, deep learning using this platform, then Python is better. Okay, but as a starting part, and I also describe what's the difference between the Python in IDE and what's the difference between the JavaScript API. Okay, then you can easily understand. Okay, and this is the easiest way, because here you can see here in this time, here you can get the documentation tab. Okay, and documentation tab is your friend. Okay, so when you want to work with the documentation, you can get all of the things in here. But when you want to open the Google Collaboratory, I also try to show you this part. So Python API environment, I simply go to my Google Drive. So you need to set up in here all of the things. Okay, you need to import the Earth Engine module, you need to import the GE map or other things you need to import, and then created the Python API. And here you can see there is the no other option as a documentation or other things. Okay, so as a beginners, when you want to learn the Google Earth Engine platform, this is the platform. When you want to work with the Python API, then this is the platform. Or if you want, you can also use the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so you need to set up here the install the different types of module. Okay, then you want to work with this in here. Okay, so anyone, any question?
I have a question.
Yeah.
So does it deal with all forms of raster data? Like does it deal with netcdf files also?
Yeah, after completing the raster data, we can easily export this raster data using as a TIFF format, and then work with the ArcMap software, and we can easily make the different types of map like this. Okay, you can see this is the map, but this map I created in my Google Earth Engine platform. Then I simply export this map and created this map. Okay, so basically we will do everything, all of the algorithm, all of the things we can do in Google Earth Engine platform. Then we can get the output as a TIFF format, then created the map in ArcMap software. And I also try to show you this process, how we can easily make the map like this. Okay,
sure, thank you.
I have a question.
Yeah.
May we need to use any packages like R programming or Python that we have used in that platform in this Google Earth Engine? May we?
So okay,